Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI 27-inch WQHD curve giving LCD. So friend, MSI unveiled the MSG 275CQRXF on 22nd October, and this model is a 27-inch curve giving LCD display optimized with the 240Hz maximum refresh rate, and the display features a curvature rated at 1000R, designed to mirror the natural human visual field, and this curvature ensure you can view the screen's extremities without neck adjustment. And friend, the rapid VA panel, known for its swift response capability, support a resolution of 2560 into 1440 pixels with the previously mentioned 240 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time. And the technical specification further detail a peak brightness of 300 nits and contrast ratio of 2500 jam 1, and the screen provides a consistent 128-degree viewing angle both horizontally and vertically, and it is also compliant with the DisplayHDR 400 standard and offers a white color gamut display capability, showcasing a sRGB at 116% and DCI P3 at 92% and Adobe RGB at 90%. And in terms of connectivity, the device offers multiple input interface, two HDMI 2.0B ports, one DisplayPort 1.4A and USB Type-C port supporting the DisplayPort Alternate mode, and integrated USB 2.0 hub with two slots, and KVM function are additional features allowing you to alternate between keyboard and mouse device. And friend, the device rear section incorporate an RGB LED compatible with Mystic Light system. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.